Now exercise continues, students. Question number 2. Some word problems are available in this exercise, but question given solved by particular elimination rule. See the first word problem. I just read the question. If we add 1 to numerator and denominator and subtract from 1 the denominator, you get the fraction reduced to 1. And second, it becomes half if we only add 1 to the denominator. Then asking, what is the fractions? You know, students, when the fraction made, must be numerator utilized and denominator utilized, then our fraction is ready. So my sum start. Suppose our numerator be x and denominator be y. So what is the original? This one, fraction. Always numerator by denominator. It means x by y. This data you utilize in this solution must be. So before start this sum, you preparation your numerator x, denominator y, and fractions is coming to x by y. Now I read the question. See the question. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, so continue. If 1 adding in and for numerator, and second read, subtract 1 from d for denominator, we getting what? Getting a fraction reduced to 1. So a fraction reduce means it is a less value, reduced to 1. So check here, 1 adding in numerator, so 1 plus numerator x, and denominator subtract 1, subtract from denominator means y minus 1, and here a getting fraction reduced to 1. So what is your fractions? X by y to 1. This your first value are coming, that your 1 values is a remaining. Yes, students, here given that a fractions reduces to 1 means here not write down x by is minus 1, only write you getting the values of 1. So what is the multiplications? It get 1 plus x is equal to y minus 1. So taking y left side and 1 right side, so x minus y is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. So finally you're done. X minus y is equal to minus 2. That's my first equation done. Students, one more time explain. Adding numerator and subtraction 1 to denominator, we get the fractions to getting 1 only. So here only 1 I applying for is equal to. Now after that equation made. Now second read. It becomes half. We only add to 1 in the denominator. So my second part is that here if only add 1 to the where? To the denominator, we get half fractions. So your numerator by denominator is a half, but what you getting? 1 adding in the denominator. So here 1 adding. So it is x by y plus 1 is equal to half. Because numerator is x assumption, denominator is y assumption, and that's I just simply LCM taking. So what you getting? 2x is equal to y plus 1. It means 2x minus y is equal to 1. Statement number 2. Now students, after that 1 and 2, we applying our elimination method. And method wise, easily might derive the value for x and y. So this equation number 1 and this equation number 2, solve by elimination. Solving 1 and 2. My first equation is x minus y, and second equation 2x minus y is equal to 1. Students, here no multiplication value we needed because this x, y and y are direct like term, only symbol change. You getting this y and y cancel. How much x minus 2x? It is minus x. Minus 2 minus 1? Minus 3. So x is equal to 3. Here done. Now this x apply either first, either second. As you like, I go to second. From 2. My second equation is a 2x minus y is equal to 1. Put down the x value. And easily you getting 6 minus 1 is equal to y. So y is become 5. Now my target is, students, find out final rational for the fractions number. So this x and this y I just put it in finally answer here. So required fraction. Already you assume that x by y. What is my x? Yes, it is 3. And y is what? Yes, it is 5. But finally, students, this derivation for equation 1 and 2, it's the main steps. And then after you calculate by elimination, xy ready and fraction ready. Now I go to question number 2, second one. It's also one of the word problem related our elimination method, students. See the question. 5 years ago, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. Means there are two persons, Nuri and Sonu. So present days I taking x and y respectively. 10 years later, Nuri will thrice as old as Sonu, and find out that both of the present age. So I start the sum. Suppose present age of Nuri be x years and present age of what? Sonu be y years. As you like, students, anyone related to taking x either y. So now read 5 years ago Nuri, age of Nuri was, ago means past tense, that 5 years past tense, so x minus 5 years, and same as age of Sonu was how much? Yes, it is y minus 5 years. Now students, read these lines. 5 years ago Nuri was thrice age older as Sonu, means Nuri age become how many times? Thrice means 3 times the age of Sonu, but both of the taking 5 years before. So x minus 5, 3y minus 15. So x minus 3y minus 15 plus 5. So you getting x minus 3y is equal to minus 10. That's my first equation. And here first equation, students, happily done. Now second, read 10 years later. 10 years later means in the future tense given. So present is converting into future tense, students. So just I getting next one, 10 years next later means after 10 years. Present age is x. So what is the after 10 years? X plus 10. Similarly here y plus 10. So age of, first of all, first person is the age of Nuri will be, it is x plus 10 years. Same as age of what? Sonu will be y plus 10 years. Students, it is a future tense taking after the 10 years. Now read question. 10 years later Nuri will twice as older as Sonu. So here x plus 10, it is twice y plus 10, and finally product done. So x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10. So you getting x minus 2y is equal to 10. Statement 2. Now students, first equation. second equation, both of the, I just start by elimination method. So elimination method now just I applying here in this word problem. So just starting, solve by elimination method. Look at that. What is the same? X and x already same. So I never multiply. It's directly going to solutions. X minus 2y is equal to 10. And just here symbol change. Each have. Because the cancellations is available. And this cancellation available for x and x. You getting just and just only. This much. Minus 3y plus 2y. It is minus y. And here minus 20. So y become 20. And now this equation applying 1 either 2. I go to 2. Students, as you like, any one equation you utilize. X minus 2y equal to 10. I this equation utilize. So x minus 2. Y is 20. So it is 40. What is x is equal to? 40 plus 10. Yes, it is totally 50. So x become 50 years. Now finally answer you mention in the exam percentage of what you taking first? Percentage of your first question is a Nuri. X years, it is a 50 years. And percentage of Sonu is y years. Is how much? Y is a 20 years. And here done our final answer. Students, these numericals are our 3 marks questions. And happily done. One more numerical, students, word problem, question number 3rd. And this numerical, students, IMP for board exams. So you highlight in the IMP list these 3 marks questions. Question is a different types. It is the first time you studied that type numerical. See the question. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. You know, students, 2-digit number, one of the unit place and one of the 10 place. Also 9 times. Number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. It means, students, here I start first of all 2-digit number assumption. So suppose at unit place bx and at tens place by. Therefore 2-digit original number. Students, 2-digit number always 1 into unit place plus 10 into 10 place. This related you making the 2-digit number. Always you indicate unit place, T indicate 10th place. So what you getting the numbers? 1 into x or 10 into y. It means x plus 10y. This is your original number. Now if digits are interchange, because read here, a number twice obtained reversing the digits. Reversing means digits are interchanged, just like your number is 24. Interchange then 42. So digits are changed. So number is changed. So same as here. If digits are reversing, so what the at unit place? Now unit place is y and at tens place is x. So new number. This number is again apply 1 into unit place plus 10 into 10 place. But this time, students, unit place is what? Y. And 10 place is what? X. So y plus 10x. That's your new number coming. So necessary you first of all showing this one and necessarily showing for that one. And now I start the sum. Basic introduction here, 2-digit number, and interchanging the digit numbers I just show out. Now question read. Sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. It means this 2-digit sum. So now I continue my sum. Now sum of both digits are 9. It means x plus y is equal to 9. Statement 1. First equation happily done. You know why calculation this and this? Because now utilize for that. Also 9 times the number means 9 times the number, original number is twice the number obtained by the reversing order. It means 9 times original number is equal to, read again, 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing. It means new number. And that I just taking original number is this x plus 10y. And new number is that y plus 10x. Now calculate 9x plus 90y. Here 2y plus 20x. Now you taking the like terms one side. 9x minus 20x. 2y minus 90y. So how much it is getting? For easy calculations, your values for ready here. One little equations. So 9x minus 20x, it's become minus 11x. And this side 2y minus 90y. How much 2y minus 90y? Yes, minus 88y. So x is equal to 88 by 11 is a 8y. So x minus 8y is equal to 0. Your equation number 2 coming. And these are equation number 1. Now solving by elimination. So solve by elimination method. First equation is x plus y is equal to 9. Now students, it's very easy method. Here minus, here plus, and these two are the cancel. I have only 9y is equal to 9. Y become 9 by 9. It is 1. And this equation apply either 1, either 2. I go to first. From 1. So x, y is 1. How much? 9 minus 1, 8. So original number. Students, my target is a original number. What is the original number? Already assume that x plus 10y. X is 8. Y is become 1. So my answer is 8 plus 10. It is 18. And that's my final answer. Yes students, here our done for the answers. Now one more interesting question students. Question number second, fourth one. See the question first. Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. Means she getting 2000 rupees only. But it's condition that cashier asked to give her only 50 rupees and 100 rupees note. Students, 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes is your one of the two variables. And total getting 25 notes. So how much notes for indicate for each have 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes. So I start the sum by suppose 50 rupees notes is x and 100 rupees notes is y. Only 100 rupees and 50 rupees I taking respectively that y and x. Now check how many total notes? 25. She have total notes 25. That's why x plus y is equal to 25. You getting first equation. Now students, notes I translate into rupees. One note for 50 rupees, it get 50 rupees. But two notes for 50 rupees, then 100 rupees. Three notes, then 50, 50, 50 three times. It means 150. It means you product them. And how many amount she have? 2000 rupees. So, total amount she have, it is equal to 2000 rupees. So, I just applying 50 rupees with X plus 100 rupees with Y is equal to 2000 rupees. And that much I just 50-50 common taking. So 50x 1 za, here 2 za, and here 50 into how much? 40 za. So this 50 and this 50 cancel. I get just getting x plus 2y is equal to 40. Equation number 2. Now students, this equation 1 and 2 I just calculate by the elimination method. So solve 1 and 2 by elimination method. It's very easy. First equation and second equation, students, I just apply our basic elimination method. X plus y getting 25, and here x plus 2y getting 40. Just here minus, minus and minus. Here opposite signs right, and x cancel it. How much? Y minus 2y? Yes, minus y. And here minus 15. So y is getting only and only you have to 15. Now this y apply either first, either second. Students, as you like, and you easily getting your x value. I getting first. So from 1, x plus y is equal to 25. X as it is, here 15. So what is the x? 25 minus 15. You getting only 10. Yes, both currency notes here done, students. So finally I write my answers in the full statement wise. So you're taking 50 rupees notes. First of all x. Therefore Meenat getting 50 rupees notes. How much? Yes, it is 10 notes. And 100 rupees notes are how many? It is 15 notes. Just to verify here, 50 rupees note for 10 notes, it means it is 500 rupees. And 100 rupees notes into how many? 15 notes is equal to 1500 rupees. Check total, she have 2000 rupees. Is here happily and easily tally for related our this numericals. Correct? Right, proper, and easily getting our answer. Now one more numerical for this fifth sum. This exercise related question to fifth sum is a last sum numerical. Question is that a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. It means, students, if you enter in this, that fixed charge for first 3 days, means 3 days is a compulsory charge, and additional charges means after that each day, then after the extra payout. But 3 days charge is fixed. So I taking suggestion for fixed charge for 3 days is X, and extra additional is a Y. Now Sarika paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days. 7 days means 3 days is fixed. After 4 days you paid that 27. And while Sasi paid 21 for the book for kept for 5 days. It means, students, here just I highlight for the fixed charge for first 3 days and additional charge after that to Y rupees. So suppose first 3 days for fixed charge, is X rupees. First 3 days. And next, after that, additional days charge be Y rupees. These are fixed. Now, first of all, which person is that? Sarita paid. Sarita paid 27 rupees. For how much? It is kept for 7 days. 7 days you just calculate 3 plus 4 because 3 days is fixed charge and 4 days are remaining to extra for Y. Fixed charge I just suggestion X. So X plus 4Y is equal to 27. Again I explain students. These are the 3 is a fix. That is called X. So you don't write 3X. It is only X. An extra additional charge for Y is a 4 days extra. So here I kept the 4 Y's and also second person Sasi paid how much? 21 rupees for 5 days. These 5 days also I write down 3 plus 2. It means X plus 2Y is equal to 21. That our second equations. Why here X? Because X is related for your 3 days and 2 days extra for that 21. Now total just 1 and 2 I calculate by our elimination. So solve by elimination method. Students, you just apply. Here X and X is cancelled. So X plus 4Y is equal to 27 and X plus 2Y is equal to 21. Subtract them and this cancel for X and X. Only I have 2Y. And here how much? 21 minus 27? Yes, it is 6 only. So Y getting 6 by 2, which is 3. Now finally, Y value is over here. Now I go to equation number 1. My first equation is ready. And this Y value is 3 putting in the first, either second. I go to first one. From 1, X plus 4Y is a 27. What is your Y? Yes, it is 3. So 4 3s are 12, 27. So 27 minus 12, you getting this value only and only here 5 and here 1. It is 15 rupees. I mean 15 for rupees for first 3 days charge. It means finally done here. Therefore, my solutions charge for first 3 days, I mean fixed charge 15 rupees and extra days charge means additional charge. What is additional charge? 3 rupees. That's one of the criteria for related this numericals. Students, this is very easy and simply I explain here one of the elimination related sums. Students, other illustration also pending there for related our eliminations. I explain elimination method in the next video, students, and up to that in this parts here over and further explanations and further study I explain students in the next video. Thank you very much.